So here's the thing with visiting beautiful places. It's not just taking in the natural beauty, but it's the feeling that you get when you spend time in these places. You actually start to see and understand what's wrong with the world. And in some instances, it allows you to see what's wrong within yourself, which can be a good thing. Self-awareness never hurts, right? So it isn't just, oh, like let's snap pictures or take video. It's this transformation that can occur if you allow it. And these beautiful places are a conduit that can potentially allow that change. So I just wanted to share that thought because I think it's an important one. Come on now. Gary with a public service announcement. Guys, if you're on a trailhead or a trail or a state park or a national park and you see trash, just pick it up and, do your part to make sure that these beautiful places don't become littered trash cans. Thank you. Scumbags, scumbags, scumbags. When I see this shit, it really pisses me off. God forbid you take an empty can and dispose of it properly. Morons. Someone lost their britches, and that can't be a good thing. Oh boy. Gary in the middle of the road. Fuck you, Gary. You go to too many beautiful places, man, and you don't take us. So there, that's for you. Gary Clark is going to show you all the places. If you stick with my channel, I'll show you 1,000. I'll show you 2 if you give me enough time. Come on now.